Okay, check this shit out. So the House of Republicans canceled the Obamacare repeal. All right, yeah, the ones that run the show, the elites, basically told the House of Republicans to cancel the repeal of the Obamacare. So Trump is now disappointed, all that bullshit. It's all scam, guys. All scandal, publicity for us to, for the Republicans, to make the Republicans look good. But it's all bullshit, guys. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, Republicans, Democrats, they're all cahoots with each other, man. They're all puppets. They all run in the same nation with the New World Order and with the elites. And you know what I'm saying? Trump, he can do whatever the fuck you want to do, man. Trump always gonna run his fucking mouth. Fucking devil, cocksucker, faggot, puppet. Because he's set up anyways. He's trying his best to repeal this Obamacare. He's trying so hard. Oh man, we still gotta fucking take they're still gonna take shit out from our taxes. You know what I'm saying? And still penalize, fine us if we don't get insurance by the end of the year. You know what I'm saying? That's just a hustle in their pockets. That's all it is, man. Nothing more, nothing less. And it's still gonna happen. That's why they don't want to get rid of Obamacare. You know what I'm saying? Because they're getting profit from each and any of us. You know what I'm saying? Why the fuck would they want to get rid of it? Why is Trump, you know what I'm saying? Come on, they're making money off of it. All the fines that people get that without insurance, you know what I'm saying? When tax season comes, they put it in their pockets. That's how much of a devil these elites are. You know what I'm saying? You think they're gonna stop? You think they're gonna stop Obamacare? You know what I'm saying? It's not going nowhere. It's gonna stay. They repeal because they're making money off of it. You know what I'm saying? Come on, Trump. Stop being so ignorant, man. You should know this shit. Well, he's being set up, so you know what I'm saying? It is what it is, guys. Make sure you wake up and learn and listen. You know, don't be sheep. All right? Peace.